everyone. It's been a while, because, you know, like every crafty person, I think we start a project and abandon it halfway and start something else. And so I haven't been able to do a video on a finished project because I haven't finished anything. I've had this stuck in my finished pile for ages. I just hadn't finished editing the images or the video from it. And in light of Bray Wyatt dying a few days ago, I think it's finally time to actually edit everything. And it might not be the best editing, but I'm going to pop it up anyway, just because I did make this thing, and I'm never going to put it up on the internet if I don't actually get around to finishing it. Slightly imperfect, but in my ever full wisdom, I don't think that's even words. I got too into the craft, and I did not film half of this making. I have actually, I don't think I finished any. I didn't film any of the making. I only filmed the end result. I didn't film making it, which is very clever. Common. I wasn't planning on filming it, to be honest. I was just making, and I should have filmed it, but I didn't. So hindsight is one of those things, isn't it? So either way, I will babble to you with a little bit of information about how I made it, and show you pictures of the finished product. I'm going to show you anyway. But with all that said, let's go. So the first thing I did was I went to Google to find some reference images. I found that there really wasn't very many at all. There was a couple of screenshots from when he had the hammer in his wrestling show. But other than that, there was only one picture, which was from an Etsy listing where someone else had made their own for about £600. Now, I was very tempted to buy this myself. As it's a birthday present, I wanted to have something that very little people had, if any at all, and that's kind of half the fun of being creative in the first place. So I decided to make it out of an old cardboard box. So I found a collapsible hammer that was supposed to be for Harley Quinn off of eBay. And so I bought that, and I just dismantled the handle off of it so that you could take the handle down. After that, it was time to get a load of old newspaper and PVA glue and paper mache all around. So using the references I could find, I painted it and let it dry, and here is the end result.